This is elevator 3, or that's at least what's labeled on the certificate, at Modern Toll Square, office portion, in Erie, Pennsylvania. It's another 80s Otis Series 1 with the red lights. This one you can hear the relays. And dim. 3. The door close button's a down button colored, and that's where it here up. Oh, vibrating. Oh. I don't remember being this vibrated last time I was here. Now it's not the vibrating. You know what? Now I remember this. It's like vibrated first, now it isn't. Here at 3, yeah, the whole indicator door. Good doors, it's nice. Back down to 1. Certificate. And phone, neurologist phone. It's the same basic fingerprint cab as the apartment's elevator. This one's pretty much identical to the apartment's elevator, but the other elevator in the office is a little different. The other one's a glass elevator. It's only 2 floors. It has a digital indicator. That's like the only one elevator here with the working indicator. Here, back at 1. Doors are pretty rough. Pretty much all the elevators have rough doors. That's going to be it.